Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to book cheapest days to fly with Google Flights. First, all you need to do is to select the three line onto the top left corner and click on Track Flight Prices. Click on Search Flights and enter specific location for the departure. Click on Explore, and onto the left side panel we can see a different kind of locations. In our case, I'll choose the Paris. Now, after it loads, click on View Flights. We can see a different kind of departures, including their prices, the time, and also the date. Click the drop-down button and then select Flights. Now, after selecting Flights, you can see the time, date, and the stop of the specific flights. It also includes the round trip and the price of it. Now, after that, click on it and then choose Continue. And by that, you'll be able to book a cheapest flight. And that's how to book cheapest days to fly with Google Flights. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.